Introduction to Customer Service Advisor. Introduction to the module. Becoming a customer service advisor involves gaining relevant qualifications, developing essential communication and problem-solving skills, and acquiring hands-on experience in customer-facing roles to effectively manage inquiries and build strong customer relationships. This module will delve into the core competencies necessary for becoming a successful customer service advisor, focusing on essential qualifications, key skills, and real-world experience. You will explore the roles and responsibilities that shape customer service professionals in the UK and the importance of continuous learning for long-term career growth. Additionally, we will examine workplace professionalism and the many opportunities available for career progression in this vital industry. Learning objectives. By the end of this module, you will be able to understand the educational and qualification requirements for a customer service advisor, identify key skills necessary to excel in customer service, appreciate the value of gaining relevant experience in various customer-facing roles, recognize the main roles and responsibilities associated with customer service, explore career progression opportunities available within the customer service field. Education and qualifications. Becoming a customer service advisor in the UK doesn't require an advanced degree, but relevant education and qualifications certainly help lay the foundation for a successful career. The role demands a mix of interpersonal skills, technical know-how, and knowledge of UK consumer regulations. Entry-level positions often require secondary education, with further learning opportunities available through vocational training and continuous development. Relevant qualifications. GCSEs, General Certificate of Secondary Education. Basic qualifications in subjects like English and maths are usually required. A-levels. Preferred for more competitive roles. A-levels in subjects such as business studies, communication, or IT can provide an edge. Vocational training, NVQs or BTCs. Customer service-specific qualifications can be highly beneficial, such as NVQs in customer service or BTECs in business-related fields. Apprenticeships, offering practical training, apprenticeships in customer service roles can combine on-the-job experience with formal qualifications. Continuous learning. Continuous learning is vital for staying ahead of industry trends, adapting to new technologies, and improving one's ability to serve customers effectively. Whether dealing with changing consumer behaviors or integrating new CRM systems, staying updated is a critical factor in long-term career success. Techniques for continuous learning. Online courses and certifications. Platforms like LinkedIn Learning or FutureLearn offer courses tailored to customer service professionals, including CRM systems, customer experience management, and communication skills. Workshops and seminars. Attending industry-specific workshops allows for networking and learning about emerging trends or regulations. On-the-job training. Shadowing more experienced colleagues or engaging in internal training programs can provide practical, hands-on learning. Professional development plans. Collaborating with supervisors to set learning goals and track progress through structured development plans can ensure continuous improvement. Key required skills. To excel as a customer service advisor, there are several key skills that need to be mastered. These range from communication and problem-solving to technical proficiency in digital tools. Strong performance in these areas not only ensures efficient customer support, but also contributes to overall customer satisfaction and business success. Communication skills, verbal and written. Good communication is the cornerstone of customer service. Verbal communication involves speaking clearly and confidently, ensuring customers fully understand the information being provided. In written communication, such as emails or live chat, concise and polite responses are crucial. Both forms of communication need to be adaptable to different customer types and situations, ensuring clarity and professionalism. Problem solving and critical thinking. Customers often come with problems, and it's the advisor's responsibility to find quick and effective solutions. Critical thinking involves analyzing the issue, identifying the root cause, and delivering a solution that not only solves the problem, but leaves the customer satisfied. Being able to think on your feet is essential for handling unexpected or challenging queries. Time management and organizational skills. Customer service roles require managing multiple tasks simultaneously, whether it's handling multiple queries or following up on past issues. Strong organizational skills are needed to ensure tasks are prioritized and completed on time, while effective time management prevents backlog and stress. Empathy and emotional intelligence. Being able to empathize with customers is essential in delivering high-quality service. Emotional intelligence allows advisors to read the customer's emotional state and respond appropriately, offering reassurance and understanding. This helps build a strong connection with the customer, leading to higher satisfaction rates. Digital literacy and use of CRM tools. With many customer interactions now happening online, advisors must be proficient in using CRM systems and digital communication tools. Understanding how to navigate these systems, input customer data accurately, and use them to track customer interactions ensures smooth and efficient service delivery. Gaining relevant experience. While qualifications are important, hands-on experience is invaluable for a customer service advisor. Experience allows professionals to apply the skills they've learnt and develop new techniques for managing customer interactions in real time. It also provides a clearer understanding of customer behaviors and the business's expectations.